Most people don't fall into poverty because of one big mistake. They fall into poverty because of a series of small, silent traps that slowly tighten around their finances without them noticing. These traps are psychological, emotional, and behavioral. They're built into the way society works, the way banks operate, the way marketing manipulates you, and the way your childhood shaped your beliefs about money. Today, we're going to expose the hidden money traps that keep millions of people stuck, not because they're irresponsible, but because no one ever taught them how to recognize these traps in the first place. Once you see them, you can escape them. And once you escape them, you can finally build wealth with clarity and confidence. 1. The trap of small payments that add up to big problems. Companies know that if they show you the full price, you'll hesitate. So they break everything into small payments. £9.99 here, £14.99 there, £3.99 monthly, £29.99 annually. These tiny amounts feel harmless, but they quietly drain your income. Subscriptions, memberships, apps, streaming services, they're designed to be forgotten, and forgotten money is the most dangerous kind. Wealthy people don't fear big expenses, they fear small, silent ones, because small leaks sink big ships. 2. The trap of buy now, pay later. Klarna, ClearPay, PayPal Credit, they make spending feel painless. You don't feel the loss immediately, so your brain doesn't register the financial impact. But these services are not designed to help you. They're designed to hook you. They turn wants into needs, and they turn impulse purchases into long-term commitments. The trap isn't the payment. It's the illusion of affordability. When you borrow from your future self, you limit your future freedom. 3. The trap of emotional spending. Money is emotional. People spend when they're stressed, lonely, bored, overwhelmed, or trying to fill a void. Emotional spending gives temporary relief, but long-term regret. It's the 30 pounds takeaway after a bad day, the 200-pound shopping spree after an argument. The I deserve this purchase that becomes a habit. Emotional spending is a trap because it feels like self-care, but it's actually self-sabotage. Wealthy people don't spend to feel better. They spend to live better. For the trap of lifestyle inflation. The moment your income increases, your lifestyle expands. A nicer car, a bigger phone, more takeaways, more holidays, more upgrades. Before you know it, your expenses rise to match your income. This is why so many people earn more but feel just as broke. Lifestyle inflation is a silent trap because it feels like progress, but it's actually a setback. Wealth is built by keeping your lifestyle stable while your income grows. 5. The trap of relying on one income stream. In the UK especially, most people depend entirely on their job, but one income stream is not security, it's vulnerability. If that job becomes unstable, your entire life becomes unstable. Wealthy people understand that financial safety comes from multiple streams, a side hustle, investing, digital skills, passive income. You don't need 10 streams, you just need more than one. Even a small second income can change your financial future. 6. The trap of ignoring your numbers. Most people don't know their monthly expenses. They don't know how much they spend on food, subscriptions, takeaways, or interest. They guess, they estimate, they assume, but assumptions are expensive. Wealthy people know their numbers. They track their spending, they understand their patterns. When you know your numbers, you control your money. When you don't, your money controls you. 7. The trap of high-interest debt. Credit cards, overdrafts, payday loans, these are designed to keep you trapped. Interest grows faster than your payments. You pay and pay, but the balance barely moves. High-interest debt is one of the biggest wealth killers because it steals your future income. Wealthy people avoid high-interest debt at all costs. They understand that debt is not just financial, it's emotional. It creates stress, guilt, and avoidance. Escaping this trap is the first step to financial freedom. 8. The trap of not investing because it feels too risky. Many people fear investing because they think they'll lose money. But the truth is, not investing guarantees you lose money. Inflation eats your savings. Your money loses value every year. Investing isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Wealth grows slowly, then the trap isn't the market. It's the fear of starting. 9. The trap of thinking wealth is about income. Income is not wealth. Behavior is wealth. You can earn £70,000 and be broke, or earn £30,000 and be stable. Wealth is built by what you keep, not what you earn. The trap is believing that more money will fix everything. It won't. Better habits will. 10. The trap of financial avoidance, avoiding your bank account, avoiding your statements, avoiding your debt letters, avoiding your financial reality. Avoidance feels safe, but it keeps you stuck. Wealthy people face their numbers, even when they feel uncomfortable. Awareness is the beginning of transformation. 11. The trap of normalized struggle. Many people stay stuck financially because struggling has been normalized in their environment. They grew up hearing phrases like, "Money doesn't grow on trees," "We can't afford that," or "Life is just hard." When struggle becomes familiar, stability feels foreign. People unconsciously recreate the chaos they grew up with because it feels safe even when it hurts them. This trap is powerful because it hides inside your identity. You don't just think you're struggling, you believe you're supposed to struggle. Breaking this trap means rewriting the story you inherited. Dozy, the trap of instant gratification. We live in a world that rewards speed, convenience, and impulse. One click, same-day delivery, tap to pay. Everything is designed to satisfy you instantly. But wealth is slow. Wealth is patient. Wealth is built through delayed gratification. When you're conditioned to want everything now, you sacrifice your future for your present. This trap keeps people poor because it trains the brain to prioritize comfort over growth. The moment you learn to delay gratification, your financial life transforms. 13. The trap of keeping up with others. Comparison is one of the most expensive habits. People spend money. They don't have to match lifestyles they don't even want. Social media makes it worse. You see curated lives, filtered success, and highlight reels that make you feel behind. So you upgrade your phone, your wardrobe, your holidays, not because you need to, but because you don't want to feel less. This trap drains your finances and your self-worth. Wealthy people don't compete with others, they compete with their past self. 14. The trap of childhood money wounds. Your relationship with money was shaped long before you earned your first pound. If you grew up in scarcity, you may overspend to feel safe. If you grew up with strict parents, you may rebel financially. If you grew up watching arguments about money, you may avoid it altogether. These childhood wounds become adult habits, and until you heal the emotional roots, the financial symptoms will keep repeating. Money habits are rarely about money. They're about unresolved emotions. 15. The trap of thinking you have time. One of the biggest illusions is believing you can start later. Later, when you earn more, Later, when life is calmer. Later, when you feel ready. But later is a trap that steals years. Wealth grows through time, not timing. Every month you delay is a month you lose. People stay poor because they underestimate how quickly time passes and how slowly money grows. The sooner you start, the easier everything becomes. 16. The trap of not asking for help. Many people struggle financially because they try to figure everything out alone. They feel embarrassed, ashamed, or afraid of being judged. But silence keeps you stuck. Wealthy people ask questions, they seek guidance, they learn from others. They understand that financial literacy is a skill, not a talent. The trap of isolation keeps people repeating the same mistakes. Asking for help is not weakness, it's wisdom. 17. The trap of believing money is complicated. Banks, institutions, and financial systems often use complex language that makes people feel unintelligent. APR, equity, inflation, compound interest. It sounds intimidating. And when something feels complicated, people avoid it. But money is simpler than it looks. The trap is believing it's too hard to understand. Once you break that belief, you realize that wealth is built through simple, consistent habits, not complicated strategies. 18. The trap of overvaluing hard work. Many people believe that the harder they work, the more money they'll make. But in reality, wealth comes from smart work, not endless work. You can work 60 hours a week and still be broke if your money habits are weak. You can work part-time and build wealth if your habits are strong. The trap is believing effort equals income. Wealthy people focus on leverage, not labor. 19. The trap of avoiding discomfort. Financial growth requires uncomfortable conversations, uncomfortable decisions, and uncomfortable discipline. But most people avoid discomfort at all costs. They avoid saying no. They avoid setting boundaries. They avoid changing habits. They avoid facing their truth. But comfort is expensive. It costs you your future. The moment you choose growth over comfort, your financial life begins to shift. 20. The trap of not knowing your worth. People stay poor because they undervalue themselves. They accept low pay, tolerate disrespect, and settle for less than they deserve. They don't negotiate. They don't ask for raises. They don't believe they're worthy of more. This trap is deeply emotional. It's tied to self-esteem, identity, and childhood conditioning. When you raise your self-worth, your net worth follows. 21. The trap of thinking wealth is external. Many people believe wealth comes from luck, opportunity, or circumstance. But wealth begins internally with mindset, discipline, and belief. If you think wealth is outside of you, you'll always feel powerless. The trap is believing you need something external to change your life. The truth is, your habits, your thoughts, and your decisions are the foundation of your financial reality. 22. The trap of We live in a culture that encourages buying, upgrading, replacing, and consuming constantly. New trends, new gadgets, new styles. Everything is designed to make you feel like you're missing something. But consumption drains wealth. Creation builds it. The trap of overconsumption keeps people financially stuck because they're always chasing the next thing instead of building the next level. 23. The trap of not setting boundaries. People lose money because they can't say no to friends, to family, to social pressure, to themselves. They lend money they can't afford to lose. They attend events they can't afford. They buy gifts out of guilt. They overspend to avoid disappointing others. But boundaries protect your finances and your peace. Without boundaries, your money belongs to everyone but you. 24, the trap of short-term thinking. Most people think about today, not tomorrow. They prioritize immediate comfort over long-term security. They choose pleasure over planning. But wealthy people think in decades, not days. They make decisions their future self will thank them for. Short-term thinking keeps you poor because it trades long-term gain for short-term relief. 25. The trap of believing money will fix everything. Money solves problems, but it doesn't heal wounds. Many people chase money hoping it will fix their relationships, their self-worth, their identity, or their emotional pain. But money amplifies who you already are. If you don't heal your internal world, your external world will always feel unstable. Wealth begins with emotional clarity. 26. The trap of not protecting your energy. Your energy influences your decisions. When you're tired, stressed, or overwhelmed, you make poor financial choices. You overspend, you avoid planning, you react instead of respond. Protecting your energy is protecting your money. Rest, clarity, and emotional regulation are financial tools, not luxuries. 27. The trap of ignoring red flags. People stay stuck because they ignore warning signs. Rising debt, shrinking savings, emotional spending, financial anxiety. They hope things will improve on their own. But red flags don't disappear. They grow. Wealthy people address problems early. They don't wait for crisis. Ignoring red flags is a trap that turns small issues into big consequences. 28, the trap of thinking you're too late. Many people give up before they start because they think they're too old, too behind, too late. But wealth doesn't care about age. It cares about consistency. You can start at 20, 30, 40, 50, or 60. What matters is that you start. The trap of too late keeps people stuck in regret instead of progress. 29. The trap of not having a vision. Without a vision, your money has no direction. You drift. You react. You survive instead of build. Wealthy people have a clear vision, not just of their finances, but of their life. When you know what you're working toward, your decisions become intentional. Vision turns chaos into clarity. 30. The trap of repeating people repeat the financial patterns they grew up with because they don't know anything else. They follow the same habits, the same beliefs, the same behaviors, but repeating what, keeps you where you are. Breaking generational patterns requires awareness, courage, and new knowledge. You are not responsible for the patterns you inherited, but you are responsible for the patterns you pass on. Closing message. If you recognized yourself in any of these traps, that's not failure. That's awareness. And awareness is the beginning of financial freedom. You don't need to fix everything overnight. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Start with one trap, one habit, one decision. Your financial future is not determined by your past. It's determined by your choices. And today, you have the power to choose differently. You have the power to break the traps, rewrite your story, and build a life that feels secure, peaceful, and abundant. Your journey starts now.